Ever wondered how ordinary people like you and me are making thousands of dollars online with affiliate marketing? Well, I'm about to share how I made $10,000 in just 1 month. Stick around because this could change your financial future. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving deep into affiliate marketing, the exact strategy I used to make over $10,000 in just 30 days. If you're a beginner and wondering if this is even possible, I can assure you, it absolutely is. No, I didn't need any special skills or a huge following. I just followed a few simple steps, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Now, let's break it down step by step. First, let's start with what affiliate marketing actually is. Simply put, affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Think of it like being a digital salesperson without the hard sell. Here's the best part. You don't need to create your own product or handle any shipping. Your job is to recommend a product that you genuinely believe in and help others find it. When they make a purchase, you earn a percentage. Simple, right? 1. Choosing the right niche first. I chose a niche that I was passionate about. This is so important because when you're passionate, it doesn't feel like work. You can talk about the products all day and people will trust your recommendations. I recommend picking something you're already interested in, whether it's fitness, tech, beauty, or finance. And this is crucial, make sure it's a niche that has a demand for products that people are actually buying. 2. Find affiliate programs next. I researched affiliate programs. You can join programs from big companies like Amazon or niche-specific programs from brands you love. I recommend going for high-ticket items, things that cost more because they tend to pay higher commissions. 3. Building a platform. You also need a platform to promote your affiliate links, whether that's a blog, a YouTube channel, an Instagram, or even an email list. The key here is to build trust. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. And the best way to build that trust is by providing value. 4. Creating engaging content. Once I had my platform set up, it was time to start creating content that would drive traffic. I created YouTube videos and blog posts where I could review products, share tutorials, and give honest opinions. The more helpful and relatable the content, the more likely people will click on your links and make a purchase. 5. Driving traffic. Now, the most important part, driving traffic to your content. There are many ways to do this, but I focused on SEO, search engine optimization, and social media marketing. I learned how to use the right keywords, tag my videos properly, and promote my content on social media to get more eyeballs. 6. Scaling up. As I started making sales, I reinvested a portion of my earnings into ads. Running Facebook ads or Google ads can really help scale up your affiliate marketing business. But remember, you need to know what's working first, track your results. Now, affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It took me a few months of trial and error, but once I figured out what works, everything clicked into place. And that's when I made over $10,000 in just 1 month. If you follow these steps and stay consistent, I truly believe you can achieve the same results. It's all about picking the right niche, promoting the right products, and most importantly, providing value to your audience. Affiliate marketing is a real business model, and with the right strategy, you can start seeing real profits. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on making money online. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if you've already tried affiliate marketing. I'd love to hear about your experiences.